Hello everyone! So today, let's unbox this parcel. Oh, I should have scissor, but anyway, it will open here. I thought it. Ay, kagogi. Oh, ano pa? Tsimpik pa. Gastos na naman ka, girl. Kagahit yun. Okay. Bubuksan natin ang ating gastos. Huh? So, yun lang. Ay, nahanap ka pa. Diba? Bumili akong wallet. Ang problema ko ngayon, wala nang laman yung wallet ko. Ewan ko ba, bakit bumili akong wallet? Hindi naman ako nagwa-wallet kasi nga, naka-card naman. Pero ito yung gusto ko. Just, it's 15 pounds. I don't know if it's worth it or not. It's not brand new, but it looks brand new, so I'm excited. Oh, there's this. There's a card. There's a money thing for here. Money thing. There's a, ang tawag na basta ano siya. An card slot. And there's a coin. Chuchu, Kimarut. So this is very good. It's very nice. This one too. This one, it has signs of use already. You see the edges, but still very good, and has like that. I don't use like this wallet because I like small bags, and this takes the whole bag, but I'm planning this one to give as a gift. So yeah, here's a sign, but that's fine. So it's Agnes. Problema na lang ang sulod. But this is, I'm very excited. Optimum. I think this is not original bag. I mean not original this one. But I think the bag is original, hopefully. So I have the straps here. So I have, this is free. I got it free and may card pa siya. Nababasahin. Hindi naman binabasa. So yun lang. So my gastos for today. Ooh, I like this one. I didn't really have it at first, so that's why it's the other one. I don't know, before I said like, oh, I don't like Prada bags. Ooh, may card siya isuto in Punto Nero. Prada outlet Kapisanda. What's the date? 2016. I think that's 2016. So that's like 10 years. It's not vintage yet, but it's old. I've been eyeing this bag very long time, and yeah, I have another one, a bigger version. I have a smaller one, like this big, and this is I'm gonna try it. All right, bye. That's my gastos for today. Bye.